Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Stonk Journal in 2025. Stonk Journal is a simple yet powerful tool designed for investors who want to keep track their trades, plan strategies, and learn from their decisions. It gives you a clean and organized space to log stock entries, exits, personal notes, and results. While it doesn't come with overly complex features, it's easy to use and perfect for traders looking to stay focused and improve over time. To get started, go to the website and click on Get Started. Then click on Sign Up with Google. Choose the Google account you want to use and click Continue. After logging in, you can enter your name or email address to complete your profile. You'll see a section called Danger. This is where you can choose to delete your journal data or even remove your account entirely, so be careful in this area. Next, go to Account Settings. Here, you can change settings like your current format, default order date, default grid date, default symbol, and other preferences. Now click on Tag Management to view or organize your trade tags. Go back to the dashboard where you can check your stats such as wins, open trades, average win, and losses. From the left menu, click on Stats. This section shows detailed performance data like win rate, expectancy, profit factor, average win hold, and many other useful metrics. To record a new trade, click on New Trade. In this section, you'll find tabs for General and Journal. Here, you can enter tags and notes related to the trade and use the slider to rate your confidence level. Then go back and fill in the trade details like market, symbol, target, stop loss, date, time, quantity, price, and any fees. Once everything is entered, click on Save to log your trade. Next, click on New Setup from the left menu. In this section, you can check and plan your setup by selecting site, market, symbol, entry, target, and more. This way, Stonk Journal helps you stay organized and track your trading journey more clearly in 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.